This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking your first actions. Install VS Code in Git, then open the project folder you'll work in. Once done, sign into your account to sync settings if you want. Make sure to enable Add to Path during installation on Windows. This lets you run code from the terminal. Next, press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette and run Preferences. Open Settings, UI, so you can quickly adjust editor font, theme, and file autosave behavior. Once your basics are set, build a productive workflow by adding extensions and configuring the terminal. Search and install language and linting extensions for your tech stack. This provides IntelliSense and error highlighting. Then open the integrated terminal with Control+ and run build or test commands. You can create multiple terminals for parallel tasks. Make sure to configure the debugger for breakpoints and step through debugging, and create tasks. JSON plus workspace settings so your team shares consistent formatting, build commands, and environment variables. Finish by ensuring source control and collaboration are working. Initialize a Git repo, add a sensible Git ignore, and make an initial commit. If you collaborate, enable live share or configure remote SSH to work on remote containers or servers. Then tidy settings, JSON and key bindings to match your habits. If something breaks, first reload the window and disable conflicting extensions. Make sure the integrated terminal points to the correct shell and inspect the output and developer tools consoles for errors. That one troubleshooting step will resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.